Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all emails from Gmail on iPhone. So in order to do that, first of all launch your mail. Then make sure that your inbox section is opened. Now tap on the option of edit at the top right. Now tap on select all at the top. Then all your mails will be selected. Now tap on the option of move at the bottom of your screen. Now over here, you'll see the option of trash. If you tap on it, all your mails from your inbox will be sent to trash, which means that all your emails will be deleted. So now let's tap on trash. After this, reload your mail or just wait for some time. And in no time, all your emails from your Gmail account will be deleted on your iPhone. So this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.